Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila J, and I'm back with another video, and it is another unboxing video. So let's open up this. I believe I should already know what this is. I have a feeling I know what this is. I think these are my booty bands that I recently got contacted with to help promote. So, and then what do you know, it actually is my booty bands. So comes with this little cute little pouch, and the brand is called Avonia brand equipment. I'm looking forward to this. It has one medium size band. Here's two. There's one band right here. And then you have this cute little, I think it's an apple. This cute little apple one. I'll probably do a demonstration of these. I like the fact that on the inside it has this like sticky material, so it makes sure that it sticks and it doesn't slide down. Most bands don't really have that. I have another band downstairs, and that one always slides down, like pretty much like all the time, and that's really like annoying. But I like when they have material on the inside that makes it so that it basically stays. She sent a little card. Oh, thank you note. That's cute. Thank you. Sheila, thanks for sharing my brand with your audience. I look forward to working together and collabing on some great content. Let me know your thoughts on the bands. XOXO. Aw. And she gave me her number to tell me to call her. Aw, so sweet. Thank you. So that's pretty much the bands. I'm gonna do a second part and just showing you guys a little quick use of the band so that it makes kind of sense to do that. Just so I could show you guys what I'm doing and what I'm working with. Awesome.